Take a look at your backyard. Is it an eyesore, a muddy mess, a wasteland of dead grass and cracking concrete? That space is your home's biggest, most neglected asset. Every day you wait is another day you're not relaxing, entertaining, or benefiting from the joy of an outdoor oasis. BNH Construction specializes in complete, seamless hardscape transformations. We start with the foundation, durable, beautiful pavers for your patio, walkway, or driveway, tailored to your style. Then we add life and savings with low-maintenance artificial turf that looks greener than grass all year long. This is a one-stop shop transformation that delivers extreme value and instant lifestyle enhancement. And here is the financially smart part. You can secure this entire luxury makeover with zero down payment. Our confidence in delivering perfection means we stand by our payment upon completion guarantee. We handle the entire process, from design to installation, so you can focus on planning your first backyard BBQ. Stop dreaming about the perfect backyard and start living in it. Your full transformation is closer and more affordable than you think. Contact BNH Construction Inc. today for a free design consultation.
Call 1-888-600-9648